My name is Diana Martins, and it's my honor to be your host today during the Future Goals World Ocean Day event, celebrating the blue. And today we unveil a sustainable street art created by the school children of Curaçao. Thank you to the children of the choir Margarita, Cor Margarita. Can I have an additional mic, please? Thank you.
Cos die sandals, nossa passa massadushi.
Learning behavior if there is no behavior yet. Values, we make the connection with the island and with their own environment. Try to help the kids with the values. To become a leader.
We start with sharing with young people what it is, where they live, how important the natural resources are where they live, and how they can play their part to protect it. Changing the narrative of what happens with waste and removing that from the ocean.
This is the goalpost made by recycled plastic and the ghost fisher nets as well. So it shows again that for the past 4 years.
And seeing more than 5,000 children over the last 4 years being impacted by the collaboration of Future Goals and all its partners around it. I mean, it's a tremendous impact, and it sets us up for the future generations.
So it's very important that if you want to make any impact, that you go to the kids for a longer time period. I think that's very important to make impacts, that kids have enjoy the program and that they will having fun, and then for sure on long term they will change behavior.
Met 'n evita bosse tour pa binki nang na Cura Holanda e biwak nos projekte nang kunosa tra.
Recycled plastic and the ghost nets. They're going to do a football freestyle clinic with the Future Goals teachers, coaches, and the rest of us will actually proceed to the Celebrating the Blue showcase.
I would be back. I would think right back. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This is incredible. This is incredible.
What's that? What is that actually?
Tegenaan en dan daarin weer plaatsen. En die zorgt eigenlijk voor de